Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are doing great and safe. Okay, last class we have seen that beautiful lesson about Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so did you understand the lesson? Did you see the video? Okay, you have to see the video one or two times. Okay, you can ask the doubt also. Please read the lesson, read the textbook, okay, and enjoy the story. Okay, so now we are going into the lesson. So what we have seen, this is a lesson about Sachin Tendulkar. It is a autobiography. What do you mean by autobiography? Autobiography means they will write about their own experience. Okay, so like the same way Sachin Tendulkar writing his own experience. So from the autobiography they extract this lesson and given here. Okay, learning the game. So these words are spoken by Sachin Tendulkar itself. Okay, so he is telling about his own experience. Okay, in the beginning how he got training. Okay, who is the coach? Okay, what are the difficulties he faced? Okay, so he is telling his own experience. So we can also enjoy that by reading his experience. And then the living cricket legend. Okay, the living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar expresses his gratitude. What do you mean by gratitude? Gratitude means thanking. Okay, he is thanking for the encouragement and motivation he got from his coach. So this is a lesson about what is that lesson about? Is gratitude for the encouragement and motivation he got from his coach. Who is the coach? Ramkant Ajrekar sir. So he is writing his experience. So now we are going to continue the lesson. So the first paragraph I taught you about how he was loved the cricket and watching the cricket on the television. Okay, and he was playing with his colony friends and he was inspired by the mannerism of his favorite players. Who is a favorite player? Sunil Gavaskar, Western Indian legend. What is that? Sorry, Western Indian legend Vivid Richards. So he is not only studied batting but also he loved bowling also. And then he studied in New English School. Okay, he studied in New English School, but he want to change the school. Why? Because he want to change the school from New English to Sadashuram Vidya Mandir. Okay, why? Because in the school only they are giving coaching for the players. Okay, so you want to join in that school, and this coach Ramkant Ajrekar sir, coach is giving some training also. Okay, so you want to join in that train, and his brother, his name is Ajit. So he was if he want to join in the training, he want to pause in the testing. Okay, you want to pause in the testing. So that coach conducting a competition. Okay, competition, and then in that, in first time he failed. Sachin Tendulkar first time he was failed, but at the second time he batted well. So this batting was impressed by that coach and he was selected. Okay, so then he was very happy. Okay, and then he had a practice section. Okay, practice section, and that he want to go to the Shivaji Park. In that park he had a training from morning to till evening. How much effort he was put. Okay, so he was telling his own experience. Okay, and then he was traveling to the Shivaji Park from his home. Okay, sometimes he used to travel with his brother Ajit. Okay, while they were traveling in the bus, they will converse about batting and about cricket. Okay, so these things was loved by Sachin Tendulkar. And then what happened? So as a child, so he came from middle class family only. He is not a rich person, so he had only one set of cricket clothes. So when he was coming, when he was eating the lunch time, he washed the clothes to dry up. Okay, and then again he wear the same clothes. So that much of suffering he struggle in the beginning. And then what happened? One day, one evening, so his coach was calling his father and his brother, okay, about discussing to change the school from New English School to what is that? Sadashuram Vidya Mandir. So both his father and Sachin Tendulkar agreed to change the school. And then after that he started training, practice, okay, matches during the summer camps. And then my summer session used to start. So the summer session training was started at 7:30 from the morning. Okay, morning till evening he had a training. And then what happened? Sometimes his coach will place 1 rupee coin on the stem so that to avoid getting out. Okay, so that he avoid getting out, the coach plays the coin on the stem. So if Sachin Tendulkar didn't out, he will get the coin by himself. Okay, and then winning the 1 rupee. So he likes these kind of things. Okay, winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction. Okay, up to that we have seen in the last class. Now we are going to see elaborately. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction. Okay, I like this game. Okay, what game? The coach was placing the 1 rupee coin on the stems. If he not out, he will get the 1 rupee coin back. At the end of it, also would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. So how much tough training was given to him. Can you see that? So he want to circuits means he want to run the whole park, okay, with his pad and gloves. Okay, it's difficult. Without pad and gloves we can run fastly, but with his pad and gloves he want to circuits means he want to run around the park 2 times. Okay, that was the last part of my training. So this is the last part of my training. I would be completely exhausted by the end of it all. So after running for 2 circuit, I was exhausted. Exhausted means tired. I was very tired. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays. Not only one day, it was a routine. Okay, I would repeat like that. It helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. So how he was training? He was training very vigorously. So what happened? So it helped me. So who is telling? Sachin Tendulkar is telling. It helped me to build up physically and mental stamina. Occasionally my father came to take me home and I would always ask him to treat me to a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. So occasionally my father will come and take me. Okay, usually I will go by bus, but occasionally my father came and took me to home. At that time, he will give me a treat. Treat means what? He will give some juices, okay, like that. So his father will give him a treat. Okay, that is also he likes very much. But this regular demand was a little unreasonable, because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sisters. My father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted just to see me happy. So my father, whatever I like, my father fulfill the things. Okay. On the other days, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my home, I would often fall asleep on the bus. So he was daily he was practicing. Okay, he was practicing seriously. So after that, he was very exhausted and tired. Sometimes he will fall asleep on the bus itself. Okay, sometimes we become very tired, means we will sleep suddenly. So in the same way, he was, after getting practice in that park, he was very tired. Sometimes he was fall asleep on the bus. If I manage to sit down, so sometimes in bus we won't get seat and all. Okay, sometimes if I get the seat, anyone who has been on a Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult to get it is to get a seat. So in Mumbai, it's a crowded area, so no one will get the seat. So it's very no one can get a seat easily. He is telling. Who is telling? Sachin Tendulkar. On days when I was not so lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with the kid bag, because the bus conductors would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. So what the Sachin Tendulkar has is kid bag. Kid bag means he has gloves and pads and all. So he will put in the kid bag. So keeping that kid bag beside, sometimes the conductors will get angry also. Okay, because it will the space will cover more. Okay, so the conductors, so sometimes they will get angry to him. It could be embracing, because the conductors were often rude and would sometimes ask me to buy 2 tickets. Some conductors will ask me 2 tickets. Why? Because the kid is very big. So if I am keeping that kid beside me, it occupy one person's place. So the conductor will ask me 2 tickets. Okay. So dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. With time, I evolved a way of wrapping the kid bag around me, just as the helmet pads became a part of me while batting. So every time I have the helmet pads with him while batting. So the kid bag became extension of me on the bus. I often taken the bus and train from Bandra to Churchgate. It was all of a great learning experience. So it is also giving me a experience to me, traveling to from the practice place to the home. So these words are spoken by whom? Sachin Tendulkar. What he was telling, his own experience he was telling, how he was going to the train, what kind of difficulties he faced. Okay, so he was telling each and everything in his autobiography. That only we are learning from this lesson. So all should read the text. Without reading the text, you cannot understand the lesson in better way. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask me through mobile. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, so thank you. We will meet you in next class. The lesson is not completed. We will continue in the next class. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.